Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set recurring deposits in WealthSimple. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set recurring deposits in WealthSimple, all you gotta do is simply go to WealthSimple website. So once you're in the WealthSimple website, you need to simply get logged in into your account. So once you are into your account, you need to simply move to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Move tab. After doing this, simply scroll down and tap on Recurring Transfers under Automations. Simply tap Create Recurring Transfers and select Add Money. Now you need to choose your source account by tapping From and selecting the bank. After everything, select the destination amount and your destination account as well and choose a frequency, example weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. After everything is done, the details and are to be submitted to confirm the recurring transfer. So this is how you can simply set recurring deposits in WealthSimple. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.